Now, this is a giant construction ground in the city of Abuja. This is the Atlantic City located at KYAMI district, an FCDA approved estate. As you can see, this is already a developed estate just beside this particular estate. If you're wondering whether I've changed location or not, this is still Atlantic City at KYAMI district. And yes, as you can see, construction development is ongoing. At my left hand side, at my right hand side, constructions every single where. All we have left are off-plan properties that you can key into. We have the 1-bedroom terrace apartment, the 2-bedroom terrace apartment, and the 1-bedroom apartment that you can key into right now. They are going for as low as 40 million with a 12-month payment plan. Yes, pay little by little and own a house in the city of Abuja, very close to the international airport, very close to the airport road, very close to the aviation village, very close to Goodluck's farm, and it is just around paramilitary estate here in the city of Abuja. So what are you waiting for? The estate lands are completely sold out. You heard me right, they are completely sold out. Yes, because smart investors have keyed into this estate. But now it's not too late for you to key into this estate, as there are still apartments left for you, and you can turn an apartment into your next home.